Hi, today I'm for the Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to additional settings. After that, you'll see here developer options section if developer mode is activated. Just to turn it off, we should click here on this developer options switcher. Now just our developer options, the developer mode and all of the options they are just turned off. So let's go back to this system and to additional settings. Go back. And now we can see that the developer options section successfully turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.